So if we have information like runs which is made by batsmen in last 10 test matches, you can say number of wickets taken by bowler in last 10 ODIs, marks stored by students of your class or any class in some subject, number of storybooks read by each of your friends. So this information which are collected here, these are called data. And with respect to certain situation, requirement or scenario, this data is collected. For example, the teacher may be interested in knowing the average height of the students in her class. For that, she'll ask all of you or someone of you, any one of you, to write collect the data of all the students, the heights. Now, so this is very important, collecting the data, but more important is to organize this data in certain systematic manner and then to get an idea, analysis, interpretation from them. And the good part is the graphical representation of that data will give you more clear picture, because one picture is equivalent to 1000 words, right? This is a pictograph. A pictograph represents the data using symbols. For example, if we just represent one car, you can say a picture or an image with 100 cars, you can just say in July we have 1, 2 and half. That is, this is 100, this is 100, this is 250. Right? So 250 cars were there. August, 100, 100, 100, 300 here, 100, 100, 100, 100, that is 400. So how many cars were produced in the month of July? July 250. In which month was maximum number of car produced? So we have September, 400 cars were produced. Then we have bar graph. See, when you eat chocolate or a bar chocolate, you might be remembering it. So it's kind of a bar. Similarly, we represent here in the bar graph the information using these bars, these towers you can say. And these are of uniform width, and the heights are actually proportional or varying with respect to certain values. For example, the bar heights, as we said, gives the quantity of each category, and bars, as we said, are equal width with equal gaps in between. So if these are the number of students in certain class and these are the year, so see 100 students were there in 2003 2004. You can say there is a gradual increase in the number of students, and 2002 to 2007-8 there are around 350 students. So the data which you can decipher or you can easily find out the information, or you can say interpretation can be done, is what is the information given by the graph. It is the number of students here and the year. So this is year, this is number of students, and in which year the increase is maximum, in which year the number of students are maximum, and you have to say true or false. So the number of students during 2005-06 is twice as of 2003-04. So let us see. 3-4 there were 100, and here we have 200. So it's good. It's 100 here and it's 200 here, right? So one thing, and there are other questions also that in which it is maximum, so 350. Then we have one more query, we can answer it, that increase in the student number of students is maximum. So let us see. Here we have 200, so 100. So here the increment is of 100. Here the increment is of 200 and 250, that is 50. 200 minus 200, 250 minus 200. This is 300 minus 250, that is 50 again. Here we have 300 and 350, so it is 50 again. So the immense increase is here from 2003-04 to 2004-05, and it is double. So then we have double bar graph. Now you want to compare two data sets, data simultaneously. So this is double bar graph. We also have multiple bar graph. If you want to compare 3, 4, this is also possible, but here we'll learn about two sets of data which are compared, which we want to compare simultaneously. And how to compare the data? See, this is the marks obtained by students in 2005, 6 and 6, 7. So this is the mathematics marks. See, in mathematics 2000, this is showing 2005-6. So 5-6 and 6-7. So there is an increase in the marks of, or there is the marks in 6-7 is higher than marks in 5-6. And how much higher? This is 30, this is 60. So the difference is 30. Here there is an increment in the marks, but it's less. Again, there is an increase in marks, but here there is a decrease in the marks. That means there is, if you see in English, it's if you just equate it, let me say it's say 50, this is around 45, I guess. Yeah, 45. So 50 and 45. So 5 marks in 5-6. The marks in English have dropped to 6-7 by 5, and in Hindi the marks remain same. So you can easily answer these questions. What is the information given by the double graph? These are the marks comparison. These are the marks comparison of 2 years. In which subject student has performance improved the most? The first one. Deteriorated, that is this one. See, it has deteriorated here in English and it is increased in maths. And then in which subject is the performance at par? That is this one, the last one, Hindi. It was earlier 5-6, same as the latter one, that is 6-7.